A small app where we are just showing the timer, okay, the countdown timer or the count up timer maybe. Let's see how to create a small timer app, right? So we will be using time loop today, and yeah, there are a few concepts which you will be learning today in this app, right? Let's see and understand how to do that. Okay. Before starting off with anything, I would like to tell you all guys that please do subscribe to my channel if you're new here, right? And also, if you're starting off with any playlist, please do watch all the playlist videos in sequence for a better understanding of the concepts and the content. Okay, and along with that, the tool also will be very much easy and simple for you all to use, right? So yeah, let's get started with today's app, where we're starting off with an Applab project today because, of course, apps are created in Applab, right? Okay, so let's start designing. I'm just naming this as timer app. Save it. First, let's choose a theme because that's what we do always, right? I think I like cucumber today, right? Now, first thing we would be needing is a label, right? Let's write the title timer and maybe 40. Yeah, this is good. I'll adjust it properly on the screen. And then we will be needing another label. Okay. So the font size will be 80. Let's change the width and height as width as 300, exposition as 10, height as 150. Cool. I'll just place it here. And then let's change the text alignment to center. Yeah, this is good, right? Let's empty the text because we're not writing anything. So on this, the timer numbers will be shown. Okay, so we will be showing seconds. I think that's better, right? So and then what exactly we will be needing is we need few buttons, right? So let's rename this as start button first. Start button. Start the timer. Okay. Duplicate this button. Place it here. Duplicate this button, place it here. Let's write this as stop button. Okay, let's say stop. Let's rename this as reset button. Let's write reset. Okay, I mean starting the timer, stopping the timer, and resetting the timer basically. Okay, so let's click on code. First, first thing is whenever you click on start button, it has to start the timer, right? Let's say on event start button click. So we have to set the text, or you can say set number. So when will you set the number? After every 1 second you will set the number. So that's why I'm just using a time loop first. 1000 milliseconds means 1 second. Okay. So for every second set number on this label 2. So what is the number it has to set, right? So to set this number, let's take a variable. So I'm writing var timer, timer equal to 0. Okay, let's take this. So let's increment it, timer equal to timer plus 1, timer plus 1. And let's show the timer over here. Okay, So on the label 2, we are showing timer, right? Let's click on start. Let's click on start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That means it's just incrementing by 1 second each time. Okay. So this is the start timer, right? It started the timer and it is just moving ahead like that. Okay. Now to stop the timer, right? So we just have to again go to UI controls. Let's get this on event. So on event, stop button clicked, right? So we have stop time loop also. You can just take this to stop the time loop, right? So whatever is present inside this will stop its execution automatically. Okay, let's run and check. Now let's stop it. You can see it will not increment hereafter. Okay, so this is how it is. And then reset, right? So for now, reset is not working. So let's again go to UI controls and get on event. On event, reset button click. So basically, we have to change the timer back to 0, right? So let's take this and write timer 0. Okay, timer will be set to 0. Let's reset and run. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when I click on reset, it again starts with 1. Okay, so it resets back, right? So this is all about the starting the timer, stopping the timer, and resetting the timer, right? So if you also want to show something in minutes, right? Like not always we understand seconds, right? 60 seconds will be equal to 1 minute, right? So after every 60 seconds, it has to show the minute thing, right? So we can also do something like that. So let's see how to do that. Let's say, let's suppose I'm just taking this. I will create minutes. Minutes equals to 0. Okay. Let's go to control and get the if conditional statement, right? So if, let's go to math, get the operators. If timer equal to or not equal to, let's get something like this, right? So we can take the percentile symbol, yeah. So if timer modulus 0, right? Or uh, we need equality operator and then this percentage operator. If timer percentile 60, that means modulus 60. Okay, so what is this modular operator is? It will just get the remainder of the division, right? So it divides the timer value with 60, and if that is equal to 0, that means we are dealing with the multiples of 60, right? So then we have to just increment minutes by 1. Okay, let's just get this and write minutes equal to minutes plus 1. So get this and write minutes plus 1. Okay, so minutes equals to minutes plus 1 means the minutes will increment by 1 each time whenever this condition is satisfied. Okay, so then let's show something like this like I'm just using how to show the minutes thing like 00:00, right? So let's get this. First say 00. Okay, minutes. Let's take another one. Here we'll just put double quotes, give a space, put a colon symbol, give a space again, and then write timer. Timer means here seconds, right? Okay. So minutes colon seconds. This is how the value will be shown. Okay. Let's check it out now. Start. So we have to actually wait for 60 seconds, only then we'll understand, right, if this is working out properly or not. Okay, let's check. Don't worry about this warning for now. We can change that to set text and it will become normal. Okay, so I will change that, no issues. Let's check this. 49, 50, 51, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. Okay, so then from then on, timer has to again become 0, right? So we did not update that thing. We can update it, no issues. So let's just place this over here first of all. Just remove this thing, the set number block. Go to UI controls and get set text block. Okay, set text on label 2. Get this minutes thing and place it over here. And then go to variables and get this value thing. So minutes equal to minutes plus 1 and timer equal to 0. Okay. Yeah. So again, it should start off with 1, 2, 3, and so on, right? So that's how it will be. And here also, not only resetting the timer to 0, but also we have to reset minutes to 0, right? So that's why I will just write minutes equal to 0. Okay. I hope this should now work. Let's check it out. Start. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a very small timer app, right? Where we just have start timer, stop timer, and reset timer. Okay. It's just a count up timer. So count up and count down means count up is nothing but it will just count upwards, right? So countdown is nothing but like 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, so on like that, right? Count up means 1, 2, 3, so on, okay? So we are counting upwards. Their countdown timer is nothing but counting downwards. Okay. So this is just a count up timer. When do we do a countdown timer? Like whenever we are like launching rockets, right? So then we actually do a count down timer, right? Like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. They say like this. Yeah. And also like while celebrating New Year also like the last 5 seconds or 10 seconds we usually count like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. Something like that. Okay. So those are countdown timers and this is count up timer. Okay. I think it's absolutely working fine now. Right. So You can stop in the meanwhile and you can again start it also. Like I'll stop it here, right? Again, when I click on start, it just continues there from there itself. Okay. That's what the start and stop buttons are for, right? Yeah. So perfect. This is absolutely working fine now, right? So in the similar way, you can absolutely do it for like the hours also. Okay, so hours is also pretty simple. Let's check that out again. Okay, for that we need another variable. So hours equal to 0. Okay, then basically you need another addition operator. So I'll just place it over here, and let's take the addition operator here. Let's place it back over here. Okay, so I think we need one more, right? Hours. Yeah, I'll just place it over here. So let's get another one. Then let's drag it and place it on the second one. Here we will have to again give a space and show the colon symbol, right? Space, colon, space. Okay. So we'll just write another similar kind of a condition. Okay. Control C, Control V. So instead of timer this time, we'll just write hours. Okay. No, not hours, minutes. Minutes percentile 60 equal to 0. That's it, right? Like if 60 minutes, then it becomes 1 hour. Yeah. So then this should be hours equal to hours plus 1, and timer, no, minutes should become equal to 0, right? I think that's it. And when you're resetting it, definitely you have to reset the hours also, right? So I'll just click on this and I'll say hours equal to 0. Okay. So this is all, I think. So yeah, this is for hours. Let's run. Let's click on start. It's going downwards. Let's just decrease the size a little bit. But this is increasing. Why? Why is it going with the seconds? Are we incrementing hours? If minutes percentile 60, if minutes percentile 60 means this is there's some error glitch, right? 0 percentile 60 is 0. That's why it is just doing this thing. Okay. Um, we have to just change this condition a little bit. Let's, yeah, that's because of the percentile thing. Let's take the AND operator. I'll just place this over here. Let's take the AND operator. And minutes greater than 0. minutes greater than 0. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's check this. So minutes greater than 0 means only when minutes are greater than 0, then it start checking, right? Until then, this condition will not execute itself. Okay. So let's quickly start this. Yeah, now it does not do the same thing, right? It will work properly now. Okay. We only have to check the design now. So the design label to text size, let it be 70 for now. Okay. Let's run. Let's start. It just shows, but it's not in the same line, right? To show it in the same line, maybe we can just say 50. Oh, sorry. Okay, nice, better. Okay, so this is all about the timer app, guys, right? We just got this, yeah, and this is pretty simple, right? For the coding part and all, it's pretty simple and very easy, yeah. So this was all about our today's session. I hope you enjoyed this session and the timer app which we have created, which shows hours, minutes, and seconds, right? Okay, so this is all about our today's session, guys. I'll be meeting you all in the next session. Okay, so till then, you just have to watch my all videos in sequence from the playlist, right? Start with any playlist and watch all the videos in sequence for understanding the tool better. So today I really do not explain much about the design because we already have been doing this from so many days now, right? So yeah, if you don't know about something, please do go back to my channel and start watching from the first video, right? So for understanding better and also for getting that expertise in the thing, right? Okay, so this is all about our today's session. Yeah, let's meet in the next session, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. Bye bye, guys. Have a great day, all.